guys. Now we are here in the car very early in the morning, so that means we gotta do a little bit of a road trip. Now we are driving to the town of Aguadilla, where we're gonna be meeting up with the team of Aguadilla Water Sports. You know them from a few videos before, and also a few of my friends, influencers. We're gonna be going with the team of Aquatica Diving Shop to do a special adventure here. Now, with that said, we're gonna get our coffee from POV, one of my best friends out here. He has one of the best coffee shops in Puerto Rico. So with that caffeinated fuel, we are ready. Let's go. And we made it, familia, to the Aquatica Dive Shop. Now in this dive shop located at 110 in Aguadilla, well, 110, you're gonna have everything available for free diving, snorkeling, renting equipment, doing expedition dives in Aguadilla, Isabela, and even Desecheo Island. Now right now we're having a little bit of a class explaining us all of the basics, everything to do with the dive, and we'll make our way to Crashboat Beach. Bueno, we just made it out here to Crashboat. We just made our way from the Aquatica Dive Shop, and as you saw, we got ready. We got all of the classes, we got all of the instructions, we checked the gear, and we are almost ready. Now we are at Crashboat, one of the most beautiful beaches in Puerto Rico, and controversial opinion, my favorite. Okay, it's fun, good food, good vibes, a lot of people. It's a good time, but when it gets full, it gets packed. Okay, now we're right here at the Aquatica truck, and we're gonna get ready, get settled, and begin our experience. Okay.
Dale, zumba. Vamos a estar. Barracudas are common. Scorpion fish. Nosotros estamos en el parking del sur, este es el parking del norte de allá, y aquí vamos a estar dando la clase con todo el equipo y luego vamos a estar entrando al lado. El BCD, el chaleco.
Okay. We are here, and today we're gonna be going underwater on a very special adventure with Aquatica and Aguadilla Water Sports.
Hello everyone, here Josue from Aquatica. I'm taking Tongo on his first scuba diving experience. It's a Discovery Scuba with Aquatica team. Check our website, aquaticapr.com.
Bueno, we're officially ready to start. We're gonna get in the water. I'm gonna get some shots underwater, and it's gonna be fun. Let's go. to start the underwater adventure. Everybody's getting ready, doing all the signals, everything that we learned right before going to the water. Now we're putting everything to the test. Now today's Discovery scuba diving experience is gonna be to the old part of the Crashboat bridge. As you can see before Hurricane Maria, it extended while farther and it had some big platforms. So we're gonna be seeing all of those platforms, what was rest after the hurricane, and all of the beautiful reef that has now formed in Crashboat. Now mi gente, I'm gonna let you listen and enjoy the ASMR on the water. There you have it, familia. We went to Crashboat Beach, one of my favorite beaches in all of Puerto Rico, and we did something a little bit out of the ordinary. So if you want to visit this beach and do the whole experience with the team of Aquatica, they are the best dive team here on the island. So make sure you follow them. All of the information is going to be down here in the captions, mi gente, in the description. And if you want to do the best jet ski tours in the island, Aguadilla Water Sports Familia is the ones that made everything possible. So make sure you follow them, make sure you give them some love. And if you're going to Puerto Rico and you want to do something a little bit more different, ya saben, this is the best experience. So with that said and done, mi gente, hope you like the video. Smash that like button, comment what was your favorite part, and Tongo PR, I'm out. I got more videos here and more videos here, so check it out. Peace.